JavaScript, one of the most popular programming languages in the world. If you're new to programming, you may be wondering what JavaScript is and why it's so important. Well, JavaScript is the language of the web. It's used to add interactivity and dynamic content to websites. But that's not all. JavaScript can also be used to build mobile apps, server-side applications, and even games. And the best part? JavaScript is easy to learn and has a massive community of developers who are constantly creating new libraries and tools to make coding even easier. So whether you're interested in front-end development, back-end development, or anything in between, JavaScript is a great place to start. And if you're serious about learning JavaScript, there are plenty of resources available to help you get started. From online courses to coding bootcamps to books and tutorials, the options are endless. And don't forget about the power of community. Joining a coding meetup or forum can be a great way to connect with other developers and learn from their experiences. So what are you waiting for? Start learning JavaScript today and see where it can take you. Thanks for watching and happy coding!